So no matter how mint your E30 is or how low the miles are, my E30 is a 92. It's a one owner car, all documented. However, coming back from impact this week, my odometer stopped working. With that said, I went ahead and ordered my the gears that you're gonna need to fix this. So my car in particular has the motor meter, but it could be VDO as well. Step one, always disconnect the battery. Step two, let's get the panel off. Kind of hard to see them, but this is what they look like. This one here, and it looks like this. Pry this out gently, lift, top two screws. All right, so got the two screws out, gently pull this out. I think this is just a tamper cable, just to see if you guys have removed these connectors. And there you have it, cable's out. You're gonna have to snip it. Just pop these clips in, out like so. And then you should be able to lift right out. All right, there you go. So next step is to take this off. Easier to take these screws off first and then take out the other screws. Gently separate. No problem, because I took those 4 screws out before. Again, try not to put your fingers on the base. There are 2 gold screws here that must come out. Comes up. This is the culprit right here. All right, so I ended up using a better set of pliers, and you just have to crush it. You're basically gonna squeeze on it. You're gonna create space on both sides, and then it'll come right out. So I have the black one, so I'm gonna match it quickly with my white one. This one goes in next, matches this one. So you're gonna confirm movement, and then the last but not least is this one. And my understanding is that this one's a little bit hard, so it's properly gripping and it's flush. And as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and spin this. All right, when you put this back in, keep in mind that there's some contacts under here. See those silver contacts right there? Line up with this. Clip is in, screws are in. Right, so she's wiped down, nice and clean. Let's go ahead and get this back in the car. It's working. So yeah, hit me up if you got any questions. Feel free to hit me up. Talk to you guys soon.